How you doing? This is Mike from Harris Water Main. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Before we get started, please, we heard it really helps us out if you could just like, comment, and subscribe. We'd be greatly appreciated. So, put this video out today. I'm on 172nd Street in Flushing. We were here a few months ago. We performed a repair on the sidewalk. Sewer was backing up. At the time, when we had the camera inspection done, there was some questionable spots in the roadway. The homeowner opted to not replace the entire main at the one time. They thought maybe financially, and also they were convinced that they could just keep on snaking it and they would be able to use their sewer. Now, fast forward 6 months later, we're here replacing the rest of the pipe in the roadway because it can't be snaked anymore. So I wanted to put this video out there because what is the benefits, or what are the benefits, I should say, for replacing your entire sewer at one time as opposed to doing multiple repairs? So I'm here on 172nd Street in Queens. We're here with Stanley. Stanley, how you doing today?
I'm doing great.
So as you guys know, Stanley from our other videos, he's a foreman here, an amazing operator. He's been with us for 30 years. Some of the best in the business, but we don't want to pump him up too much, right, Stanley?
No. Okay. I'm good.
So Stanley, we're here because this is the second time we're at this house.
Yes.
We've already repaired on the sidewalk and now we are repairing again in the roadway. So wanted to put this video together. There's two main reasons why it's critical. I shouldn't say critical, but two main reasons why you should think about replacing your entire sewer as opposed to doing multiple repairs. So the first thing is cost. If you perform multiple repairs, it's gonna end up costing you more money over the long run of doing all those repairs as of just replacing it all at once.
Most definitely.
And number two, it's not a financial thing, it's peace of mind. So rewind 6 months ago, we replaced a section of pipe. They knew they had an issue in the street. They decided to just kind of snake it. There's no comfort in that. You're always thinking, when it rains, is my house gonna back up? Finally, it got to the point where they just can't take it anymore. Our customer even told us, you know what, if I just replaced it once, I just would have had peace of mind. I would have been done. You don't have to think about it, right?
No worries after that.
So in this area where we are working today in Flushing, are there any major concerns or challenges to work in this area?
The only challenges they have here is the actual depth of the city sewer.
Okay.
It could be a chance of a back pitch because it's so shallow. Depends on how deep the trap is in the building.
So how deep is the sewer here?
4 feet actually.
Oh, so it's really shallow here.
Yes.
So in terms of actually performing the work, 4 feet, you show up to a sewer job, it's 4 feet. You guys are loving it, right?
Yeah, but you gotta make sure everything is on the money. Starting in the building, you gotta make sure you have the right amount of pitch. You can't give it too much pitch and then when you reach in the street, you're back pitching.
Yeah, exactly.
So you have to be careful.
All right, Stanley, thank you.
My pleasure.
Always. Thanks for watching our video. Again, if you could please like, comment, and subscribe. And just want to end with this. We know it always going for the whole repair, or replacement I should say, is the more costly option up front, but it can potentially save you thousands of dollars in the long run, and most of all, give you peace of mind. Thanks for watching our video.